So, focus. Slow until we pass the cones. Slow until we pass the cones. When we pass the cones, show time. Let's do it. Okay, keep going. Point to the middle of the bridge with all the throttle you feel like. Open it now. Keep going, keep going. After the compression, we brake and connect. After. Now, brake, connect. A bit of throttle you feel like. Connect. And now you point to the end of the barriers, start braking now. Keep braking. A bit harder if you feel like. Okay, let's brake. Open, 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 close. Close, 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 connect. Wait for the throttle, left side. Gas, left side. Let's brake. Close. Open with throttle. Lovely. Right side. Keep going, very good. Keep going. And we brake. Brake, 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 brake. Open, 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 close. Brake, brake harder. Yep. We have to brake harder. Is it okay? Left side now. Alright. Left side. And the number 2 is the turning point. But we just stay outside for overtaking the Audi. Okay, he's signaling, so it's good. Just stay on your lane. Stay on your lane. Now gas. Very good. Now open it to the right after the corner and we brake on a straight line properly, okay? Now, brake, 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 brake. Keep braking, left side. Release, it's good. Connect, wait for the gas. Close, keep it, gas. Lovely, connect. Brake it slightly, left side. Let's brake it slightly, right side. Stay on the right, connect. Open with throttle. Very good. If no one comes, move to the left. Point to the number 3. Brake now. Brake, brake, brake. Stay open. Close. No gas. Close, close. Connect. Open it. Flat out. After the crest, keep going. Keep going. On the top of the hill, at the left, we're going to brake. Not before. Forget the car behind. Let's brake. After. Brake, 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 brake. Release, close, keep it, gas, keep it, gas, gas, gas. Keep it, there you go. Now, right side blinkers, exactly, after the corner. No stress, you know? They do their film, we do our film, you know? There you go. With all the throttle you feel that we can go here. So, after the crest, on the right side, we brake on a straight line properly, okay? Follow my hands. Release, gas, close, no hesitation. Gas, close. Gas, gas. Very good. Hard braking now. Hard braking. Proper. Harder. Release, close. Wait for the throttle. Wait. Progressive throttle. Open. This was perfect. Good job. Right side. White number. We point to it. Okay. Now left side. Connect. Point to the white big number. Keep going straight. Good. The compression, we brake slightly before and then we throttle, okay? We throttle. Brake slightly. Gas. Gas, 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 gas. Uphill we brake hard. Keep going. Now, hard. Release. Left side. Lovely. Keep going. Brake. Forget about the car behind. Close. Connect. Brake. Brake, 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 brake. This gets close. Brake. Brake. There you go. Stay close. Now close again and open with throttle. Now blinkers to the right, after everything. Otherwise you get even more stress. Of course. Connect. Keep going here on the right. After the little corner, we brake from the right. Just keep going. Brake. Brake, brake, brake. White number, we close. Let's go. Gas. You open it. When the curb on the right finishes, you brake. Here. Brake, 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 brake. Keep braking. Close. No gas. Close. Connect. Left side after connecting. There you go. After the number 8, we brake. Now, brake harder, harder, harder. We brake, and now we close. Now we close. Open with throttle. Right side. That white number is the turning point. Okay. Tap the brakes. Tap it. There you go. Release. Close. Connect. Left side after connecting. Brake. 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 Stay open. Stay open. Close. Close, close, close. Progressive open. And now right side blinkers to the right. Brake properly here now. Braking, braking. Right side. Connect. Let's brake. And close. Connect. Gas, open. Very good. So, after that crest, on the right side, we brake on a straight line. Okay? Here on the right. Follow the safety basically. Here, brake. Brake, keep braking. Harder, 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 harder. Release, close. Keep it. Gas, 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 keep it. Yeah. Left side, okay, he's stay on the right, we stay on the left. From the left side, gas, 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 gas. Flat out, let's go. Safety car is not slow here, I tell you. Right side. Keep going, it's good, it's good. Release a bit. Gas, close, gas, gas, no brakes. There you go. Left side, we brake now, properly. Keep braking, stay open, 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 close, 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 no gas, wait for the gas, gas, exactly, now, there you go, very good. We go to the number 11, okay, with the throttle you feel like, and after the number 11, we stay close, and we stay close until we pass the toilet. The toilet is not a lie, it's there. When we pass it, we go to the right, there you go, keep going with the speed, it's good, close, gas, gas, gas. There you go, lovely. Fast section. Yeah, you can go with gas if you feel like. Slightly from the left is good. Going. Release a bit, but no braking. Gas, let's go. Right side. Right side. There you go. And let's brake. Brake, brake, brake. Gas, gas, gas. Flat out, let's go. Open, gas, gas, gas. There you go, lovely. Left side. After the crest, tap the brakes and close. Brake, close. Okay, gas now, very good. Lovely. When the curve starts, brake properly. When it finishes, close. Close and wait for the throttle. Wait, keep close. Gas, open. Lovely, very good. Letters AMG, point at them. Connect, keep connecting. Stay a bit on the right. Keep going, it's good. And brake. Brake, brake, brake. All 4 tires inside. Welcome to carousel. And stay here. There you go. Same speed. A bit faster if you feel like. A bit faster. Gas, gas, connect. Very good. Right side. Blinkers. Uphill on the right side. Tap the brakes and close. Tap, close. With throttle. Gas, open. Very good. When the curve starts, brake. When it finishes, turn. Close, 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 connect, gas, 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 open, 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 open. Tap the brakes, open, close, close, stay close, feel the grip, gas, connect, left side after connecting, straight, and we brake, close, 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 connect, left side, brake a bit, this is slightly, stay close, connect, curve, take it if you want. Yeah, there you go. On the compression we brake, and when the curve finishes, close. Brake, close. Close. Progressive throttle, stay close. When we are straight, we brake, okay? Now, let's brake. Brake, 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 brake. Close. Keep it, stay there. No more angle. Stay there, no more angle. No, no, no. This, exactly, this is perfect. You see? We finished on the left side. That was lovely. Almost lovely. Let's brake. Close. Open it. Use the whole track. Use the curve of figure 1. Let's brake. And we close. Close now, here, close, close, close. Open with throttle, use the whole track. There you go, right side. When we are uphill, we brake. Stay on the right. Late braking, late apex. Brake, 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 brake. Close. My bad. This was my bad. Right side. Right side. And gas. Okay, and the number 69, we close here, connect. Jump ahead, we brake before and after, not in the middle.
Before now.
Yeah. Before. Release, close again, good, close, keep it, gas, keep it, keep it, keep it, keep it, straight, and opening with gas, keep going, release a bit, close, gas, 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 when the curve finishes, close, no hesitation, constant throttle, okay, let's go, gas, close, 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 straight, no braking, left side, gas, connect. No braking there. I know, don't worry. It's
a little brown.
Straight. Let's brake. Brake, brake, brake. release, and close. Close, keep closing. Very good, this is very good. Let's brake, close. Open with throttle. Very good. When the curve finishes, we close. And we're going to brake now. Brake, 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 brake. Close, 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 close. Okay. Open, jump it, jump it. There you go. There you go. Very nice. Left side. When we are uphill, you brake. When the curve finishes, turn. Brake. Turn. And open it. Stay open until we pass that fence. When we pass the fence, we close. Release a bit. Close. Close. Progressive throttle. Gas, gas, gas. Open it, open it. Gas, gas, gas. And this is a lap in the Nurburgring Nordschleife. How are you feeling?
Good, 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 good.
You wanna go straight for the second one? For the last one?
Let's do it.
Yep. Then we're going to do the fast lane. That is staying on track.